Projects is where your team will complete most of their work. So, let's see what it's like for a project team member to work in the Material Hub. As soon as you log in, you'll see all the projects assigned to you, that is, the projects you joined or were added to. You'll also see the company library, filled with vetted, approved standards that can be used right away. In the Material Hub, you also have access to AceLab's larger database, which lets you research and explore new materials while working on your projects. In this example, let's say you are working on a hospitality project in St. Louis that has already been set up. Your project team is already added and ready to collaborate, and if needed, you can easily invite external collaborators, like spec writers or owners, to view and review product selections directly in the project. Most of your work happens in the schedule, which acts as a live log of every product decision, from items being researched to selected, reviewed, or used in the project. It tells the full story of how material decisions evolve, creating a single, transparent material information model that gives visibility to every stakeholder. Each product includes detailed data automatically tracked by AceLab, like master format sections, categories, and associated reps. Your team can comment, collaborate, and add information. For example, you can add keys that allow you to map to your Revit model or overview specs. Different users can also create custom views to focus on what matters most to them. For example, an OAC team might use a material tracker to see approved and used products, complete with drawing keys, master format section, and model references. Meanwhile, a sustainability team can filter for materials that meet transparency or certification criteria, like those with documentation in the climate health or human health categories. This is a quick gauge both during active project work or at the end of projects to pull reports and quickly evaluate a project's performance and compliance without extra spreadsheets or manual tracking. Any fields marked with the AceLab logo is automatically updated by AceLab's team, so you always have the latest information. Adding a new product is just as easy. You can click Add Product and choose from your company library, which is a vetted set of options. If you're looking for a ceiling material, you can go straight to that section and instantly see all approved products. So, you can make quality selections without having to dig through project directory folders or ask around. Your library can also include sub-collections, for example, materials approved for specific clients. If you're working on a Marriott project, you can filter by that client or look into an already created view to quickly find everything that fits their standards, then push those products directly into your project. If you don't know what product you need or can't find what you need in the library, you can easily search AceLab's full database. Let's say you need low VOC flooring, just type it in, and AceLab searches across over 150,000 products to show relevant options. You can even ask Ace, our AI assistant, more open-ended questions. Ace interprets your intent, filters the data, and educates you about the sustainability and performance standards as you go. As your project wraps up, all this information needs to be documented, and the Material Hub automates that too. For example, you can sync product data directly to your BIM model. A product linked to a Revit family automatically brings in data like dimensions and quantities, and pushes product data out to Revit, helping automate scheduling and reducing manual input. At the same time, the platform generates an overview spec organized by master format section. Your spec writer can view live project status, see what's been selected, and export clean documentation in just a few clicks. With these tools, your project teams can focus on making smart, high-quality product selections, while cutting down the manual time spent syncing documents and updating spreadsheets. The result? Better collaboration, better visibility, and better projects. To learn more about working in projects, check out the resources below.